Math Day, Great Day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to Mathematics Lead channel, where we turn your math worry into mastery. I am Martin Lawrence, and together, let us have fun while learning. This topic is about solving problems involving rational algebraic expressions. Let us proceed by knowing about our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to describe the steps to solve a rational equation. Next, to solve rational equations. And lastly, solve literal equations or formulas involving rational expressions. But before we discuss about our topic, let us first have our engaging activity. We have here x plus 8 over x is equal to x. Feel free to pause this video and work on this example. So what we're going to do in this problem is we're going to multiply both sides by x. So x times x is x squared. And then x over x times x. The x variables will cancel and it is just going to be 8. And then 6 times x is 6x. Now, let us move the 6x from the right side to the left side. On the right side is positive 6x, but the left side, it is going to be negative. Now, we can factor it. What two numbers multiply to 8 but add up to negative 6? This is negative 4 and 2. So, it's x minus 4 times x minus 2. And so, we can clearly see that x is equal to positive 4 and positive 2. And so, that is the answer. Let us try another engaging activity. We have 5 over 8 minus 3 over 5, and let us set that equal to x over 10. We will give you again the power to pause this video to answer this. Let us now find the answer. What do we need to do in order to find the value of x? The best thing we can do is clear away all fractions. We have an 8, a 5, and a 10. What is the least common multiple of 8, 5, and 10? Well, we can make a list. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, and so forth. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. Multiples of 10 also include 40. So 40 is the least common multiple. Let us multiply every fraction by 40. So what's 5 over 8 times 40? You can do 5 times 40, which is 200, and then divide 200 by 8. Or you can do 40 divided by 8, which is 5, times the 5 on top. And that's going to be 25. Now, what about 3/5 of 40? 40 divided by 5 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. And the last one, 40 divided by 10 is 4 times x, and that's 4x. 25 minus 24 is 1, and so x is equal to 1/4. So that is the answer. Let us now do activating our knowledge. Let us solve problems involving rational algebraic expressions. Now, what about this one? 40 divided by x minus 3. And let us say that it is equal to 9 over x plus 2. So, for this problem, we have to cross multiply. So, 4 times x plus 2, that's 4x plus 8. And then 9 times x minus 3, that's 9x minus 27. So let's subtract both sides by 4x and let us add 27 to both sides. 8 plus 27, that's 35. 9 minus 4 is 5. So all we need to do now is divide it by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So x is equal to 7. This is the final answer. Now, let's say that we have x plus 2 divided by 3 plus 4, and let us say that it is equal to x plus 9 divided by 2. Find the value of x. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So let's multiply everything by 6 to get rid of the fractions. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now let us multiply 2 by x plus 2, and that's going to be 2x plus 4. Now 4 times 6 is 24, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 3 times x plus 9, and that is going to be 3x plus 27. So now let us combine 4 and 24, which is 28. And now let us subtract both sides by 2x and also by 27. 28 minus 27 is 1, and 3x minus 2x is x. So therefore, x is equal to 1. Let us proceed by solving more equations. Here's the next one. X plus 3 divided by x minus 3, and let us say that it is equal to 12 over 3. Whenever you have two fractions separated by an equal sign, what you want to do is you want to cross multiply it. So 12 times x minus 3 is 12x minus 36. And 3 times x plus 3, that's 3x plus 9. Now, let us subtract both sides by 3x, and let us add 36 to both sides. 12x minus 3x is 9x. 9 plus 36 is 45. And 45 divided by 9 is 5. So x is equal to 5. Try this one. 9 divided by x is x over 4. So once again, we have two fractions separated by an equal sign. Let's cross multiply them. X times x is x squared. And 9 times 4 is 36. So all we need to do is take the square root of both sides. The square root of 36 plus is plus or minus 6. So there's two answers. Positive 6 and negative 6. Now that we have understand the steps, formulas, and process of solving rational expression, let us develop our competencies. We have the problem x over x plus 3 equal to x over x plus 6. You may pause this video to try this out and find the value of x. Let's find the answer. We have to cross multiply it. So we will have x squared plus 6x is equal to 8x plus 24. We have to move 8x plus 24 to the left side. So we will have x squared minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Now is to factor this out. We now have x minus 6, x minus 6 multiplied to x plus 4 equal to 0. And it is now obvious to us that the value of x is positive 6 and negative 4. Math Day and great day again, Math Lead learners. This is Martin Lawrence. Thank you for listening.